Today we are going to show you the day view of the house. Very heavy, no? Baby. As A and this as B. Alter. Hey guys, welcome back to
Life with the Sequeras.
A very good morning. Yesterday was a very tiring day. You already must have seen it in the vlog. And of course, India won the Asia Cup. So that highlights I have to still watch because that's how I am, a cricket lover. So if I watched the match yesterday, I still want to watch the highlights today. And now the thing is, we are on our way to our new house because today we are going to do its deep cleaning. The other day you must have seen in the vlog the night view. Today we are going to show you the day view of the house, and of course all the cleaning work.
See the balcony view.
Yeah, finally, last time I didn't show it to you, so in this vlog you'll get to see it. And of course the deep cleaning happening, and we have a lot of things to do as well today, so it's going to be a rush day for us. So Bagu, Aajsa Divas. So we have entered the flat. As I said, this is the view in the morning. You couldn't see the kitchen properly, so this is how it is. It's same like we're currently staying. It's good. Now we'll show you the best part, and that of course is the view here. So we wanted to do the entire deep cleaning, so the entire thing is gonna get clean. This is our and this is our view. They're gonna make a park here, something or the other they're planning to do. Look at that. Completely amazing, right? Baby's here. You get the work started?
Yes.
Baby, we are going to destroy somebody's house here.
What happened? Oh.
Anda bhi dala rahega.
That's why she's sitting there. I knew that. They told you, no, there's smell aa raha hai, smell aa raha hai.
Open?
No, she'll get scared.
Abhi kya kare? You have to
Let them only do it.
So we have a pigeon nest. It's feeling bad, but can't help it also. Chal baby. So those people have come in to clean the house, but they want a ladder. So we have come back to our place to get the ladder. Baby is going on top. I'm waiting for her to come down. I told her I'll come with her. She's like, no, I'll get the ladder on my own. So I'm like, okay, let's wait for her. Look, there she's getting the ladder. Kaisa leke aa rahi hai. Very heavy, no? Huh? Extremely. अच्छा चाबी किधर है घर का? हाँ ओके बेबी आगे रखना उसको.
नहीं इतना टाइम नहीं तो चालू करा है होल्ड.
क्या चालू करो? एक्टिवा. 1 minute. Let me first be in position to बैठ अभी. वो हवा में रहना चाहिए बेबी. You are comfortable? Done? I don't know how we are going to do it, but where's the ladder? I can't see one. Biometrics done of the new house also. Good. Sab kuch hua hai. Yeah. Very heavy, no? The ladder is very. Huh? Very, no? You will have to press.
Seat it there, no?
Okay, happy?
Yes.
Baby, two eggs here. So sorry. We'll do something. We'll relocate you somewhere, okay? We didn't have our breakfast. We are having it right now. So we'll show you what we are having. Looks delicious.
My face looks so puffy.
Yeah. Yesterday during that devotional songs that we were hearing, she was getting way too emotional. You all saw us, right? So because of that, this is the end result for that only. This is what we are having. Done? Sure. What next are we planning? We got vegetables and everything. We couldn't record the previous part, but then we recorded the ending part. Now what?
We'll go home. Where's our scooty?
Udhar hai.
And we'll talk to that guy for pigeon.
Yeah, because our pigeon will come again in search of our eggs. Yeah. Hey, I need to give them plastic bag also. I have to buy that plastic bag. Sure. Why are you putting this?
Because I'm having chocolates.
Measurements going on. Of course, Charlie Coco and Chester safety is first. So we need to put up the necessary things.
Hriday also.
Hriday is smart. He'll not do all that. Still the cleaning work going on. Baby, यार क्या सामान ले रही है?
Sorry, carpets and broom. Get the broom.
ये सब किधर था? घर पे था? नया broom? Why didn't we use it here?
I always keep one extra.
I don't know whether people are viewers will know which house we are in. Yeah, which house? Yeah, which house we are in, which house we are going in. It's all gonna be chaotic wala vlog for them. Suddenly Hriday bhi aaya picture mein. Hriday, say hi to everybody. He was in school, so we came to collect him, and now we are in our current house.
Get the dustpan, baby.
Yes, we take that also. But
Here.
मेरा भी बाल बराबर नहीं है. Hriday, please press G. Goodbye. So we had placed the nest there with the eggs, but the pigeon parents have actually transported one egg. Now waiting for the other. That is the father. Mother, God knows where. I guess she's doing
in
the
the kitchen.
transport work.
Finally, the house is clean, and this is how it looks. We can literally now sleep here.
Yes, and also when you're showing the house, tell your ideas so that we can start pitching and seeing what to do.
Nothing as such, but since the balcony was over here before, so now we are planning on keeping the dining table this side.
Okay. वो क्या है? ये क्या पैच है क्या अभी? वो पूरा वाइट वॉश मारना पड़ेगा. हाँ.
No, they have cleaned. So
Ah.
पानी नीचे गिरा ना, they cleaned it.
Cleaned it. Okay. हाँ.
And this wall will be our
हाँ. Altar. Ah, good, good, nice, nice. ACs are working, yes. They even cleaned the ACs. Very nice.
I don't know. You think altar will come here or here? We don't know. I think this big wall will be better.
Okay, let's ask our viewers. So guys, let us know whether you want the altar to be on this side or this side. We'll name this as A and this as B. Altar on A or B side. Please let us know in the comments. And then we move ahead to either like passage में light नहीं है ना? Yes, है? You know they're not. Okay, we have to put. So here we'll keep storage stuff and everything. Okay. Our fridge maybe. Let's see how it is, or else fridge will go here. We'll see what to do. This is our kitchen. No light in the kitchen. No, you got all the new broomstick and everything. She's kept it here. That's the balcony which you already saw. I showed you. I already showed.
Yes. So kitchen we have to do
a lot of things. Yes.
Let's see.
I
want some colored furniture. Baby does not want colored.
I don't want colored. Yes, I want something else.
I want some pastel color.
Pastel is fine, but not that baby pink and all that, you know. This is Hriday's room. Oh, pura clean hai. I'll show you this is the cupboard will come in and show you the glasses also clean. This is the view from Hriday's room. Oh wow, lovely. Nice. Hriday, are you happy? I've told him to follow me because he's the assistant director, so he's going to be behind me at the moment, and we're capturing only baby.
Yeah, so it is covered.
Now I am correct. I guess the voice will echo when we speak.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll open it, yeah.
Little I open it. So, and then we have to decide.
Yeah, so
go somewhere.
Something different.
Yeah.
So let's see. We'll not tell you that.
Yeah,
not everything. Yeah. Not everything will be revealed in this vlog.
Yeah.
Of course, washrooms we can show now finally since it's clean.
Yeah, clean.
With the open commode also. It's like एक number. That mirror, of course, you're gonna remove it. That's horrible. That's not even a mirror. I don't know what the hell it is. Yeah. So that also we'll do. So we'll figure we'll modify this, make it modern completely. And this is our room. You had already seen the view. We had already showed it to you. No, we didn't show the view as yet to them. No? Oh, I'll just go out.
Now it's going to be beautiful sunset.
Yes. Oh, look at that. I'll zoom in for you guys. Wow, look at that cloud. And of course, this is the view. Small balcony, but I would say a better view than our current house.
Balconies small are only good because there's a lot of cleaning and all. Better because
correct. Now but then our view is that side. It's the facing that side. So it's okay. You can come. So I'm planning to do something here. Now let's see if it's allowed and all. We'll see how it is with the society as well. But this is how our building looks. Very nice. So guys, we are here only as yet, and we are hungry. Now the thing is, we don't want to go away from this, and that's how it is when you have your own house. Don't feel like going anywhere, right? So guess what? We went and we purchased certain things only to make something very, very important, chai. So that we don't spend a lot of money on tea. नहीं तो एक चाय का एक ग्लास का 10 रुपये होता है, and 20 जो भी है. So we'll show you what we have purchased now. So we've purchased this pigeon kettle. नॉर्मल केटल ही है, ऐसा कुछ फैंसी वाला नहीं लेके आए हम लोग. At least it can be used. Basic one, yes. वो हृदय को खोलेगा वो. This is how the kettle looks. Just like when you all go to a 5-star hotel, when you all know there is free tea, उससे गर्म करके पियो. अच्छा? But हम लोग इतना चाय नहीं पीने वाले.
No, but it's like quite big enough. Yeah.
1.5, I guess, no?
1.5 liters.
अरे वो छोड़ा बहुत चाय के अलावा और क्या बनाने वाले हैं बेबी? Cup noodles. Kappa noodles, okay. Chalo, you get it done. Make everything ready.
We'll show you directly now when they are cooked.
Yes. that kettle?
So finally water is boiling. We are ready over here. Hriday, are you excited? It feels like we are on a picnic. Baby is sleeping there. Baby, you're not feeling well?
Tired, just need rest.
He's tired, he needs some rest. Okay. Chalo, turn off. Okay. Now it's off. Water has boiled. We are so excited only for an electric kettle. Actually, no, Hriday is excited because kids are kids. So good, happy. Okay, so now we'll make some food. Okay.
Alright, Maggie is done. We have put not done as yet, in process.
Folksy.
Oh, nice.
This we'll do later.
हाँ
Keeping it here for now.
ठीक है, चल चल फटाफट कर, मेरे को चाय पीना है.
So we have kept both the Maggies and I think we are supposed to leave it for some good amount of time. And 4 minutes or something. How's the tea?
This is always the best since Goa days, remember?
Goa days, yeah. Chalo. Finally, open Hriday. Open this. Let me show everyone Hriday's noodles. Hey, I'm running out of focus, yeah, baby. Nice. Chalo, enjoy. Take. Tell how it is.
I'm happy smelling.
I'm tasting the masala.
Wait a minute. I don't think it's well done, but let's see. चिकन रहता तो अच्छा है.
Hriday, give Hriday, let him taste and see.
If I put this now.
Hey, baby, she, babu. Take Hriday, you taste and tell.
What? अरे baby, I'm tired. Let's go home. ये तो सेम ही कर दिख रहा है, कुछ फर्क पड़ ही नहीं रहा है.
Give me your hand.
ये क्या कर रही है? ये Hriday, baby,
Come now.
not on hard surface.
Keep it there.
Where?
Upar.
And do what?
Just keep it there.
How to keep?
Keep now.
Arey.
Turn on the front camera.
Front camera के ऐसा.
We won't be captured.
We won't be captured anyhow.
Keep it there. ये remote के support में रखा. Ready? Baby, ready?
Ready?
Close your eyes. Close.
Okay, close.
These are open.
Okay. Lights is
Open. And now you have to do it. Baby, don't spoil the moment. You have to do a little slow dance. Our house, our bedroom, we finally have it. So nice. What?
सामान आने दे.
What?
क्या हुआ?
Chalo, congratulations. Hriday, come, you also come.
Chalo, let's go home now.
See you later. Chalo. So we are home. आणि आय एम नॉट शुअर घरी आल्यावर बेबीने काही क्लिप्स घेतल्यात की नाही, बट आय डोंट नो इट्स द वेदर और इट्स द इन्फेक्शन ॲट होम. पहिला हृदयला बरं नव्हतं, देन आय एम ऑल्सो नॉट कीपिंग वेल, मतलब आय एम रिकवरिंग. पण आता त्याचे थोडेसे लिंगरिंग इफेक्ट्स रिजवर पण आले आहेत. अँड ही इज फास्ट asleep. I've given him medicines and I told him to just go and sleep because he also has his shows coming up and there's a lot of travel. Next week he's traveling, you know, like out of town and all of that. So yeah, keeping everything in mind. हृदयला पण सांगितलं तू झोप आज, लवकर झोप, because we are relatively a little tired here and there. आणि आता घराचं जसं आम्ही काम सुरू केलंय, सो आता तर म्हणजे जबरदस्त इकडून तिकडून इकडे खूप सारं होणार आहे. आणि आम्ही या व्लॉगमध्ये वी आस्क्ड फॉर अ फ्यू सजेशन्स अँड रेकमेंडेशन्स. सो प्लीज डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट्स इफ यू ऑल हॅव एनी आयडियाज और यू नो if there's something that you all feel we should do here and there, do let us know. And असा होता आज आमचा पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.